today we are going to do chicken congee or rice soup is what we are making today. So hang around and learn how to make awesomely tasty Thai style chicken rice soup.
Wow, that sounds yummy!
Yes! It's a meal on its own. It's easy, it's tasty, and it will comfort your hungry tummy.
I promise!
If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Rice soup can be horribly tasteless, like typical hospital food.
No.
But I promise my version will make your taste buds sing. Ooh, that's great! With chickens, herbs, and spices, you can adjust everything for your perfect breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can also use some leftover cooked rice too for this recipe. And here are the ingredients for congee rice or rice soup.
Mint chicken, soy sauce, palm sugar, garlic, coriander root,
Good girl.
mushroom seasoning, olive oil,
Good girl.
white pepper,
Good girl.
sea salt,
Yeah.
jasmine rice,
Yes.
eggs, chicken stock,
Yes.
water chicken stock.
To cook the rice, I use jasmine rice. It's the long grain rice. Before you cooked it, you need to wash it and strain it. And you cooked with chicken stock and water in the same amount. So Katie will put it in saucepan for me. Good girl. Next one. Chicken stock. Add some in there first. Oh. Good job. And then we will add water. I just add some water in there for now, and then I will need to add some more later when the rice nearly cooked to keep the consistency right. Once the water boils, you need to stir the rice up to stop the rice stick on the bottom. While we're waiting for the rice cook, I want to prepare the herbs that we will use for the rice soup. First of all, we need to pound a dry herbs, dry spice. White pepper. Can you pound it for Mom? Ooh, smell nice. Coriander root. Garlic. Yes, it's already done.
ไม่ทานพอทำค่ะ
Okay, ka. We're gonna take half of the herbs out and leave half in there to mix the minced chicken. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. Then mix them up.
Oh! It's gonna come to me and I'm gonna do shake and spread.
Add some more water in there because the rice already absorbed the liquid. If you not add more liquid in there, the rice will get burned and stuck in the bottom. You can smell coriander root, white pepper, and
Chicken spur.
garlic.
My name is Katie.
Now the rice is already cooked. I will turn the heat off and cook soup and chicken. For cooking the chicken, I need olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, herbs that we just done earlier. Once the herbs release the aromatic, we will add chicken stock in it and season it. Chicken stock. Now turn the heat high. You don't need to use too much soup because we don't want our rice soup to be too watery. The water is now just boiled. It's time for me to make a little bowl, chicken in there. We're making this because we wanted to test the chicken, to bite the chicken, not a little pieces from minced chicken. This recipe, I make it for 2 persons. The chicken is take just 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Now it's time for seasoning. Mushroom seasoning, palm sugar, soy sauce, can I have a little taste? Some sea salt. Perfect. So to keep the herbs fresh before you put it in the fridge, you need to wrap it with newspaper like this. Then herbs can go last maybe about 2 or 3 days. Chili spurs, you need to put some vinegar in there. The vinegar allow you to change the acid, to change the taste in the soup. It's up to you in how much you want to put in your soup. Ginger, ginger gives you a fresh and nice smell when you bite it. For the celery, I only use leaf. I don't use the stem. Crispy onion. That's it. There are the side dish ingredient that we call เครื่องปรุง in Thai. I'm going to mix the rice in the soup. Then add 2 eggs in there. Put the cover on to let the egg cook a little bit. Cover the egg, make it cook quicker. If you want the egg to cook more than this, you can carry on cooking, but for me, I'd like the egg to just cook it like that. So I will turn the heat off and serve it up and show you guys what it looked like. It's time for me to eat my rice soup, and here is the size ingredients that you can adjust what taste that you like. If you want more spicy, you can add chili flakes in your soup. If you want more umami, you can add soy sauce. If you want more acid, you can add vinegar and spare chili. So here's a side dish for you to give you a taste for your rice soup. I add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and I like my rice soup to be a little bit spicy, so I will add chili flake, then ginger. The ginger gives you a little bit of spicy too. Spring onion, coriander, leaf and celery, crispy onion. So yummy! I wish you try this recipe at home, and this dish is good when it's winter.